Today is Tuesday. So we got the new Forester yesterday, and it's nice. It's very comfy. Can't find any faults with it, thank goodness. And so this morning, we've got to go back to the Subaru dealer because they didn't give us the spare keys. A little bit of a pain. And we couldn't figure out how to change the clock. I'm sure it's relatively easy.
Actually, 9 o'clock.
Yeah, it's actually 9 o'clock. And then we're going to head to Costco's over in Nashua. After we do that, to pick up some supplies. Look, painted sticks. Interesting. Candies, chocolates, nuts. Nuts are back there.
Smaller packages, no individual packages?
This is Costco's. We don't have smaller packages. I don't know how they do it. $14 for that big candy bar. You can even get a little one. What are we going to do? It's not pork for half a year. Every family should have a 50-pound bag of powdered sugar, right? They said they had packs down there of winter harvested seaweed snacks.
Oh, yummy.
Okay, shopping at Costco's is done. Next, lunch at Five Guys. Yeah, it's just a beautiful day. Just beautiful. Hard to believe it's, what, June 6th? 50. Yep, 50 degrees. What is that moose thing? Remember earlier today we went to Costco's? Well, this is what happens when you go to Costco's. Lots of stuff. So Sid's been packaging it all up. Now it gets frozen, and then it goes. Well, this is the freezing thing. What do you call this thing?
Food saver.
Dun 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 dun. And then we take it, put it in the bag, bring it back with us. Now, I'll tell you in a second. The reason we bring back those meats and stuff is not because you can't always get them there or that kind of thing. You can. But things like sirloin steak tips, you can't get. Really good hot Italian sausage, you can't get there. Hot Italian sausage burgers, can't get there. So that's the kind of stuff we bring. Otherwise, we just pretty much buy everything that's there. Oh yeah. Before you say anything, think anything, or whatever. Yes, this is an Irish sweater directly from Ireland, and it's bloody cold here. It's raining, freezing. It's like being in Ireland. Well, today is, well, it's only like 5 o'clock, but it's so dark, cloudy, rainy, cold. It's like a winter day, and it's already getting darkish. where, oh, excuse me, normally that doesn't happen until around 8:30 or so now here.
No, I was thinking about meatballs and spaghetti.
Meatballs and spaghetti, what?
In June. Because it's cold.
Oh, because it's cold. I'm like, what? We had that big burger for lunch. We don't need meatballs and spaghetti tonight. Anyway, and then tomorrow we're headed to Vermont because we've got to register the Subaru. So that means going up to the DMV. Vermont's not like a lot of places. It's generally not crowded. Sometimes you have to wait for the person in front of you. It's not like ours. But sometimes they can also have some pretty funky things. Like you need this and you need that. It's like, what? So hopefully that all goes well because we just have temporary plates. We're going to visit with the kids and the grandkids. It's supposed to be 70, I think, tomorrow. So excellent. I'm taking the new drone. I'm hoping I can get some pictures up in Vermont. And hopefully it's a good, easy day.